Pleasant morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the book back exercise of the chapter The Living Organism and Their Surrounding. The first question: what is a habitat? So we have learned about habitat, right? So all the living organisms need a place to live. So that is the habitat where their necessary needs are get fulfilled. So write about habitat. Second question: how are cactus adapted to survive in a desert? So we know the condition of the desert. It is very hard. So how they are adapted to survive? So list down the points. Third question: it is a fill in the blanks. The presence of specific feature which enable a plant or an animal to live in a particular habitat. So they are having some special features. So what is that called? Mention in that dash. Subdivision B: the habitat of the plant and animal that live in land are called. So the animals or the plant which are in land are called dash. So what is that habitat called? And subdivision C: the habitat of animal and the plant that live in water are called. So water, what is the term called? What is the term for water? So write that habitat. Subdivision D: soil, water and air are the dash factors of a habitat. So we learnt about the living and non-living. So which will be the correct option? Subdivision E: changes in our surrounding that make us respond to them are called. So what is that? To what we are responding. Okay, so write that. Fourth question: which of the following is listed or non-living? So here they are listed most of the things, and from that we are going to choose only the non-living. Options are plug, mushroom, sewing machine, radio, boat, water hyacinth and earthworm. So among this, find out which is non-living thing. Okay. Fifth question: give an example of a non-living which shows any two characteristic of living thing. So you are going to write a non-living thing which shows the characteristic of living thing. So think wisely and write. Okay. And sixth question: which of the non-living thing listed below were once part of a living thing? So understand the question. So here it is the non-living thing as listed, but it was the before it is the part of the living thing. Okay, I'm reading out the options: butter, leather, soil, wool, electric bulb, cooking oil, salt, apple, rubber. So most of the things we are getting it from the living things. Okay, it might be a plant or else from the animal. So think over that and choose the option correctly. Seventh question: list the common characteristic of living things. This is a direct question. You can write the common characteristic of living things. How do you observe? How do you identify it as a living thing? So these are the characters. Eighth question: explain why speed is important for survival in the grassland for animals that live there. So we have learnt about the lion, cheetah, deer. So whichever the animal which lives in the grassland, they have the mode of running fast. So why this is why this adaptation they have? You have to explain. Okay. So this is related to prey and predators. So think over it and write. Okay. Thank you, children.